What's up, weirdos? What's going on, guys? So, things are looking like another DCA opportunity out there. Interesting, we're going into Monday, and while everything looks a little red, like a little red, not much, a little 3% here, 5% there, 2% here, 1% there. Um, it kind of feels like it's going to be a green week next week, doesn't it? I mean, I could be completely off my rocker here, and maybe I'm wrong, but it feels like it's going to be a pretty big green week next week. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you think. I think we're getting ready to kick things off, guys. I'm starting to feel it in my bones. All right, let's have a look at what's going on here. Jasmy down 1.3% on the day, 2.3 on the week, 33.6 on the month, but up 254% on the year. We're even in rank at 76 with a $1.06 billion market cap. 35 million in volume, just embarrassing volume across the whole market, guys, right? XCN down 5.3% on the day, 11 on the week, up 80.7 on the month, and up 1,209 on the year. Down 5 spots and ranked to 102. $722 million market cap with 72 million in volume. Volume's gone significantly down. What do we got? Swift going down 4.6% on the day, 17 on the week, up 97 on the month, and 677 on the year. Down 10 spots in rank to 242, $198 million market cap, 20 million in volume. Zebec's having itself a fantastic time. Up 14.5% on the night, 32.3 on the week, 29 on the month. Up 35 spots in rank to 405, $91 million market cap, and 18 million in volume, guys. Very excited about Zebec. I think we're going to see a run to the upside on this bad boy, the likes of what we recently saw with XCN. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Let's go check in on Jasmy. What's going on the charts? Still just doing the same thing as Bitcoin, guys. Nothing's changed. This thing's going to break when Bitcoin does, and it's going to be glorious probably this week. Probably this week. Nothing consolidates for this amount of time without a violent move to the upside. And you combine that with the fact that we've been in this bullish structure since the beginning of December, right? That's all. We're almost 3 months into this now, 2.5 months into this. It's going to break pretty violently to the upside, in my opinion. Going to check in on XCN. What do we have over here? Same thing, guys, just consolidating below this resistance level at 2 cents 386. We've attempted to break through it like every day for a week, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. So we'll see if we can finally make that break to the upside tomorrow. I think it's possible. I think, like I said, guys, I think everything's getting ready to go. Everything's getting ready to go here. Swift coin as well. Looking at Swift coin's chart, same thing, guys. Let's go over to the lower time frames, 8 hours. Yeah, we're getting ready to go. This head and shoulders did not end up playing out. I didn't think that it would. This is not really a shoulder, right? It didn't really end up. It didn't translate to the daily time frame at all. But we're still consolidating in this range here, right? Just like I said we probably would. Here we are, continuing that consolidation. We've wicked out of it, but we've come right back up inside. Again, guys, this thing's going to break to the upside just as hard as XCN and Jasmy are. Definitely missing it. All right, let's go look at Zebec. What's Zebec telling us? So we're still sitting. Look how many times we've tried to break resistance here. Look at this. We've broken very hard above it too, right? Very hard. That's what she said. 1, 2, twice a couple of days ago. And then we hit resistance the day before yesterday. Couldn't quite get it. Broke through yesterday. Broke through today. Trying to break through right now again, guys. This thing keeps chipping away at this sell wall. There is a massive sell wall right here. And when we break through this, guys, this thing's going to run. I think it's going to run like XCN did, to be honest with you. If we zoom out, right, we have been consolidating here for quite some time, probably 3 months, probably over 3 months. We've had our 3 hits on the top of the trend line, which for me validates the potential of a breakout, right? This thing's going to run, and when it does, it's going to be big, guys. It's going to be big, right? it's not going to take too much, in my opinion, to see us start going towards those all-time highs. So, yeah, this is what I'm looking at. I'm gonna just kind of check something here on my fibs. So, I mean, I don't like counting the wicks personally. So we go there, we go to the bottom. What do we got here, guys? So I'm not as much of a master on the fibs as like Caesar is, but I do like using them from time to time. So going up, I like to look at our little golden pocket here, guys, right about here, right? Little golden pocket here. Generally, you will come up inside this area. You might only catch the 50, but you know. So I mean, we could see a move. If we can get up into this little golden pocket between 20179, like 2018, basically, and 202, could be the next potential move to the upside on a short move, like on a smaller move, right? So it's kind of what I'm looking at there. But we got to break out of this structure first, man. So we got to get above this resistance level that we have been battling with over and over and over again, right? So this is what we're watching for. Zebec, guys, it's going to run. I think it's going to run like XCN did. Keep your eyes on it. Keep your eyes on it, man. I'm ready to go. Bags are packed. Listen, guys, over on the Patreon, we were filling our bags way back here, guys, way back here, down at the lows, way back at the beginning, right? We filled our bags, guys. If you want to get in early on these plays, guys, you got to get into the Patreon. Same thing with XCN. Let's go look at this. Let me show you something here, okay? We started getting in on XCN last March, guys. Last March, okay? Look at this. Where were we last March? Like way back here. Way back here, we started getting in. We accumulated all the way down here, even lower, like 2016, this area. This is where we were accumulating this whole time over on the Patreon, guys. We made like a 3,000% return or something like that over on the Patreon, guys. It was insane. We're doing the same thing on Zebec. We did the same thing on Swift, guys. We just dropped another gem over there today. I started my bag. Get over there, guys. Get in early on this stuff before it's too late. You start getting into them when big content creators are already talking about them. It's already too late, guys. You've already missed the boat, right? You're here to make money, not anything else. So check that out. Like I said, another gem dropped this very day over on the Patreon, guys. I'm jacked up about it. It's going to be a good time. All right, what do we have here? Courtesy of community member Jetpack, friend of the channel, my guy. So he says, just because you didn't see it, doesn't mean it wasn't right in front of your eyes. Check it out, guys. Zebec and Visa. We know about this. We're going to continue on, but let's watch this.
Has been talking about accepting USDC for settlement. Has that been brought live across the board? And can you walk our viewers through what problem this is solving?
Yeah, so this is live today, in a handful of pilots, with clients on both the issuing side and the acquiring side. And it really started, when we worked with crypto companies to be able to issue cards. We found that a number of these crypto platforms, they're using stablecoins to pay their employees, stablecoins to pay their vendors, and they wanted to use stablecoins to be able to pay Visa. And so we authorize transactions, in real time, and then at the end of the day, we need to settle, with those clients. And our goal is to give more options and choice, to these clients to be able to, send us their, preferred currency on the preferred network, that they're using already. And so we launched this pilot, about a year ago. We've got a handful of partners in it, and we're seeing, really early positive signs of traction and more demand from many of our clients that we're talking to start to settle with Visa in USDC as well.
We have a handful of partners in it. XCN Onyx Coin, Zebec, Stellar, Ripple. The list goes on, guys. You are not ready for what is coming. Check it out. We go further. Cash Stream Protocol. Zebec joins Visa program. Zebec, the first continuous and programmable cash stream protocol on the Solana blockchain, announced Wednesday. It was joining the Visa FinTech Fast Track program. Zebec says it is the first Solana project admitted into the Visa program, which supports payment startups. Graduates of the program include Stripe, Chime, and Crypto.com. very, very bullish, guys. Continuing on, Visa's B2B. Check it out. Visa is leveraging Chain Core to create a permissionless blockchain network to enable the financial institution's clients to directly exchange value on behalf of their corporate customers. That is why Chain, XCN, Onyx Coin, is fortunate to be partnered with Visa, who combines a commitment to innovation with the scale, relationship, and infrastructure necessary to actually make the future a reality. Zebec, XCN, guys, partnerships, Visa, you do not know what's come. Fully backed digital dollars. Boom. USDC, guys. Let's move on to some more Jasmy news. Yes, that's right. It keeps coming. We have a brand new partner for Jasmy. Breaking news, guys. This is hilarious because I was telling you guys for months when everyone was whining, not everyone, but when some people were whining about Jasmy, I said, listen, guys, big announcements start coming out one after the other. When Hara goes quiet like this, boom, what happened? Junction, testnet launched on us. Boom, just like that. They let us know all kinds of information. I've been breaking that down. I'm not going to get into all of it right now. The Junction coin being able to operate nodes, guys. Big things there. And what happens the very next day? Boom, what do we have? Jasmy Secure PC to support work style reform using blockchain. Jasmy Secure PC, we'll start at the beginning over here. Okay, so OCH Co. Then they give the address, is pleased to announce that Jasmy developed by Jasmy Co. Sato uses blockchain technology to visualize PC management data leakage, countermeasures, operation logs, etc. during remote work, enabling both companies and employees to realize the work style reform securely and easily. We are pleased to announce that we have started handling the secure PC. That's right, new partnership. Jasmy partners with OCH Co. Jasmy Secure PC is a solution that enables centralized management on a unique platform using blockchain technology. Functions necessary for telework and other work style reforms, such as PC management, data leakage, countermeasures, grasp the actual working conditions using operation logs, and analyze workman hours, can be easily realized by simply installing the Jasmy Secure PC software. The PC drive recorder to visualize business operations, like the dash cam installed in a car, records the operation of the PC. So basically, if you're working remote, it tells the employer when you're logged in, when you're working, and when you're not. So they can manage payable man hours. You can't just claim you're working from home or remotely if you're not. Ghost storage to prevent information leakage. You can securely manage your data with drives that are only mounted under certain conditions, such as connecting to a pre-registered network or authenticating an administrator, and dashboard for administrators. The control PC function, individually managers can check the operation status of and access history of employees in real time. Remote control such as ghost storage permissions and screen lock by the administrator is also possible. And I have told you guys for a while that this Jasmy Secure PC software is going to be the standard in government offices, right? For these very reasons. They can check they can monitor when you're working and when you're not. They can even screen lock your computer remotely and so much more. They can have access to the data on the PC, and it's not your personal PC, it's the work PC, right? So don't freak out saying, I don't want to monitor my PC. No, it's the PC that your company gives you to work on or the government gives you to work on. They have full access and control. This is the standard moving forward, you guys. You have to understand that. Jasmy, pleased to announce the exact same thing from Jasmy. And then if we go back over Here, I'll show you the official announcement from Hara himself. For the haters that want to hate, we will go over to Hara's page because Hara had retweeted it as well. Boom, here we go. Hara tweeted out, OCH, a data center and SEER-based information security handling company, and Jasmy collaborate. There you go, guys. Boom. New collaboration, new partnership, Jasmy and OCH. And I'm sure there's far more coming, guys. So strap in, strap on, and a little bit more from XCN, guys. We're just going to dip in on the protocol real quick. Check out the staking APR down to 36.65%. Still waiting on a new governance proposal so we can vote. We know that they have a couple coming, so we'll stay tuned for that. As I said, guys, get over to the Patreon. We dropped a new gem tonight. We started accumulating it tonight. It's going to run hard. It's going to run fast. That's what she said. We're live over there every single night, guys. And on top of all that, you can also book your one-on-one coaching AMAs with me personally. And the chats are going 24/7, guys. They're buzzing. I'm not the only one dropping gems over there. People are flipping, ripping, gripping, making that extra dry powder to DCA into their favorite altcoins, guys. We're constantly dropping gems. We just did a 204% swing trade the other night live. It only took us less than an hour to make that kind of a return for the people over on the Patreon. 1,700 people strong and growing in the community. Fantastic community leaders. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one.